Moscow, January 7, 2026. In a stunning display of Russian military prowess, newly released footage from the front lines of the ongoing conflict in Ukraine captures a Mi-28 attack helicopter unleashing a devastating precision strike on a key Ukrainian drone control hub. Armed with the advanced Kh-39 lightweight multi-purpose guided missiles, the helicopter executed the operation with surgical accuracy, neutralizing the facility and disrupting Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) operations in the region. This event underscores the superior capabilities of Russian aviation technology, highlighting how the Mi-28 and Kh-39 combination is reshaping modern warfare in favor of Russian forces. The footage, which has gone viral on social media and state media outlets, shows the Mi-28 hovering at a safe distance before launching the Kh-39 missile. The missile streaks toward its target, guided by real-time data links that allow for mid-flight adjustments, ensuring pinpoint accuracy even against fortified positions. Eyewitness accounts from Russian pilots describe the strike as flawless, with the drone hub erupting in flames upon impact, scattering debris and eliminating any chance of Ukrainian counter-drone activities in the immediate area. At the heart of this operation is the Mi-28 an upgraded variant of the legendary Mi-28 Havoc attack helicopter, often dubbed the Super Hunter for its unmatched combat effectiveness. Developed by Russian Helicopters, a subsidiary of Rostec, the Mi-28 represents the pinnacle of rotary wing technology, designed specifically for all-weather, day and night operations in high-threat environments. Weighing in at approximately 9 tons, the Mi-28 boasts a top speed of 300 km per hour, 186 miles per hour, and an operational range of up to 450 kilometers, 280 miles, allowing it to conduct deep strikes behind enemy lines without the need for frequent refueling. Powered by enhanced VK-2500 engines, this helicopter offers superior maneuverability, enabling it to evade anti-aircraft fire while maintaining stability for precise weapon delivery. Its dual-seat configuration, with tandem cockpits for the pilot and weapons operator, ensures seamless coordination during complex missions. One of the standout features of the Mi-28 is its advanced avionics suite, which includes a helmet-mounted target designation system and an integrated radar capable of detecting and tracking multiple targets simultaneously. This allows the helicopter to engage low-speed aerial threats like drones, as well as ground-based assets such as armored vehicles and command centers. In the recent strike, the Mi-28's ability to operate in nighttime conditions was crucial, as the footage reveals the helicopter using its thermal imaging and low-light sensors to identify the Ukrainian drone hub hidden in a forested area. The helicopter's armor plating, made from composite materials, provides robust protection against small arms fire and shrapnel, making it a flying tank that can withstand hits that would down lesser aircraft. Furthermore, its expanded payload capacity, thanks to the upgraded engines, permits it to carry a diverse array of munitions, including anti-tank guided missiles, rockets, and, notably, the Kh-39. This versatility has proven invaluable in the Ukrainian theater, where Russian forces have repeatedly used the Mi-28 to dismantle enemy strongholds, contributing to significant territorial gains and morale boosts for troops on the ground. Proponents of Russian military strategy hail the Mi-28 as a game-changer, far superior to Western counterparts like the Apache AH-64 in terms of cost-effectiveness and reliability in extreme conditions. Its proven track record in Syria and now Ukraine demonstrates Russia's lead in attack helicopter design, ensuring air superiority and supporting ground operations with minimal risk to personnel. Complementing the Mi-28's capabilities is the Kh-39, also known as the LMUR, Light Multi-Purpose Guided Rocket, or Izdalai 305, a state-of-the-art air-to-surface missile developed by the Kalashnikov concern under Rostec. This missile is engineered for versatility, capable of engaging a wide range of targets including personnel, armored vehicles, command posts, and, as seen in the footage, drone control centers. The KH-39 standout feature is its two-way data link, which transmits real-time video from the missile's onboard seeker back to the helicopter operator. This allows for in-flight trajectory corrections, ensuring the missile can navigate around obstacles or adjust to moving targets with unprecedented accuracy. In the strike on the Ukrainian drone hub, this capability was evident as the missile homed in on the facility despite attempts at electronic jamming by Ukrainian forces. With a range of 14.5 kilometers, the KH-39 enables standoff attacks, keeping the launching platform like the Mi-28 out of harm's way from short-range air defenses. It operates at high subsonic speeds, reducing the time for enemy countermeasures, and features dual-mode guidance: infrared for heat-seeking and visual for optical targeting in various weather conditions. The missile's high-explosive warhead produces thousands of fragments upon detonation, maximizing damage to soft and hardened targets alike. What sets the KH-39 apart is its fire and forget mode with optional manual override, providing flexibility in dynamic battlefields. Russian defense experts note its high resistance to electronic warfare, a critical advantage against NATO-supplied systems in Ukraine. This missile's integration with the Mi-28 allows for rapid target acquisition and engagement, with the helicopter capable of carrying multiple KH-39s for sustained operations in recent combat showcases. The KH-39 has erased high-value Ukrainian assets, including NATO-backed drone command posts, proving its efficacy in asymmetric warfare. Its low probability of intercept (LPI) mode and ability to track up to 60 targets while engaging 16 simultaneously make it a force multiplier for Russian aviation. This precision strike not only disrupts Ukrainian drone operations, vital for their reconnaissance and attack strategies, but also sends a clear message about Russia's technological edge. By targeting command hubs, Russian forces are systematically dismantling Ukraine's ability to coordinate UAV swarms, which have been a thorn in the side of ground troops. Military analysts in Moscow praise the operation as a testament to Russia's innovative defense industry, which continues to outpace Western sanctions through domestic ingenuity. The Mi-28 and KH-39 duo exemplifies how Russia maintains battlefield superiority, protecting its sovereignty and advancing its objectives with minimal casualties. As the conflict evolves, expect more such demonstrations of Russian might. The shocking footage serves as a reminder. In the skies over Ukraine, the Mi-28 reigns supreme, armed with the unstoppable KH-39.